Well, it's sad to think that so many people in America don't have access to good medical and dental care. But here in Nashville, there are groups that are working to change that. Mary Hans, Miss Cheap is here now with some ways to get free health services in our area. Something that's really needed, isn't it?
It is. I bet a week doesn't go by that I don't get a call from somebody or an email from somebody needing some dental health or medical health. Dental health primarily, because you know Tennessee is 49th in the overall oral health. So
wow.
There's a lot of need out there. And this is September is dental month, and so there are a lot of resources out there. One of the biggest ones coming up is a medical mission that St. Thomas is doing on the 22nd, and it is a full day of, it's from 8, I think all day on that Saturday, and it's all sorts of services, not just dental. They have 30 partners that they partner with, Hope Smiles and some others. I mean, it's great stuff. I mean, there are people line up. It's first come, first serve, but great services.
I was looking at this video. They do eye tests, they do prescriptions. They've got all kinds of good services that really can help people out who need it.
They do, and there's one going on right now through the weekend at Church of the Messiah downtown across from Cameron School. And this is another one that it's volunteers. These are volunteer dentists, hygienists, medical people who come and just give their time to give some services to people who otherwise would not have any access.
That's a wonderful way to give back, isn't it?
It really is. And you know, some of the dental offices are doing it too. Dr. Roach has one in his Green Hills office this coming Saturday. There's another one out in Smyrna at Village Crest Family Dental, and these are days that they try to see maybe 100 patients.
Wow.
And so, you know, not everybody can get in. They're still not, this is still a drop in the bucket, but still, you know, it's a big help for people. A lot of them are just needing extractions, you know, or x-rays. So wouldn't it just be terrible to have an issue like that and not be able to go to the dentist?
Yeah. What do you have to do to qualify for these services?
Most of these are just, you just show up, you fill out a registration form, there are no questions asked. And you know, the Interfaith Dental Clinic is an ongoing resource for people, and I think they're thrilled to see some of these pop-up clinics, to see some of the people that they just do not have the resources to see. So these are things that are very important in the community, and I love it that these are sort of hometown medical missions. I know that there's some wonderful work going on in other countries, but with our resources going to other countries. But there's a lot of need right here in Nashville.
There really is.
And in Middle Tennessee.
And we're grateful there are folks that are meeting the need for sure. The YWCA, of course, does some great work as well, and they have a big sale that's coming up.
Right. You know, they used to have the shop, the Dress for Success shop out in 2016 out in Madison, in Inglewood. And that's no longer there, but they do these pop-up sales where it's the excess inventory for Dress for Success. And there's one this Saturday at the YWCA headquarters on Woodmont Boulevard from 9 to 1. And there's some great stuff. It's ladies' clothes, accessories, shoes, great prices. Everything's between $1 and $20.
Wow.
Most things. There might be a few things over that, but that's their main price range. And it's really for a good cause, for Dress for Success. It's one of their main programs at YWCA, and some good deals.
Yeah, Dress for Success does what?
It's a national organization, and they work to try to outfit women who are returning to the workforce or entering for the first time. So they want clothes donated that are things that people could wear to work or could go for an interview, because a lot of these people, as they return to the workforce, they don't have the proper interviewing clothes, and so they're looking for women's suiting primarily. But you know, that's changed a lot. It's a little more casual than it used to be. So they like to get all sorts of clothing donated, and you can do that at the YWCA on certain days of the week.
Mary had a great article in the Tennessean this week that has all of this good information in it. You can always check that out online at tennessean.com/MSCheap, right?
Well, I hope people will share the news about these dental clinics, because you know, we need to get the word out to people who need it.
All right, thanks so much, Mary.
Thanks. Stay cheap.
Well, coming up, the